In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how TEMU pays me to just shop on their app, and I'll show you guys how. All right, so we're gonna want to go ahead and open up TEMU so we can, get started. And I'm pretty sure the majority of you guys knows what TEMU is by this point. So you're gonna go ahead and open up this app right here. This app right here, fan. This app right here. You're gonna wanna, you feel me? Or you can literally get anything you want, bro, on this app. You just need to put in your you just need to put in the time, and that's it. So what you need to do, you're gonna want to go ahead and click the U person icon here, and then you just scroll out on the bottom and click where it says earn credit and free gift. All right, of course. So we want to get the credit balance here to up to 200. That's our point right now. All right. And then we're gonna want to come back over here. As you see it right here, it shows literally credit giveaway win 100 credit. All right, 100 credit. You have all these games over here, all these games over here, bro, all these games over here. So we're gonna want to go ahead and click credit giveaway, get now. And as you see, I already played mine. Of course. But now all what you need to do, you just need to you can receive 100 credit. You can buy anything you want on a team, bro. I'm telling you, anything you want on a team, anything, like anything. I'm telling you guys, like literally anything you guys want to on this app, bro. You guys will get it. So what you need to do, just right here, you just need to click share and then copy and paste. All right. You can use this method here. $1,000 in 10 days, new user, come join free money waves. You feel me? That's the hookup, like that's how you call people. And this all you can use right here. But by any ways means you guys can use almost all these right here to, like, share, share to the new users, and you guys get to make money. So once you guys, I'm gonna leave that. Once you guys on here, right? So it shows you guys like your earning status. As you see right here, I got the 7 cent from credit giveaway. This was yesterday. This was today, by the way. Credit giveaway from I mean, I did show you guys. So once you did it, so you can just come back over here and you can literally see they have almost all these games over here. And you can click here. You can play other video games, bro. You feel me? I played this one like last night too. See, I just played this one last night too. And once I hit 100, as you see, I'm like a 90 right now. Once I hit 100, I can withdraw anytime, bro. Once I hit 100, I can withdraw anytime, and I can buy literally anything on this app, bro. You feel me? So basically, that's it for the video. I hope this video helps. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Make sure you guys subscribe. Let's hit at least 6. We're aiming for this week 600 subscribers.